Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, we are recording. Good. So, we're going to do question 7, right? Let's read it first. A parabolic arches are often used in architecture. So, what are arches? Boom, that's an arch. Doesn't that look familiar? That's because it's a parabola. Okay. So, it's often used in architecture because they provide great strength and durability. Wow, good for arches. So, the height h in meters of a certain parabolic bridge support is modeled by h is equal to blah 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 blah, where w is distance in meters from the side of the arch. Alright, so what did we learn from the last question? X and Y are just letters. H and W are just letters. They can, in fact, represent the same thing. So, let's draw this on an axis, right? Alright, so this would be X, this would be Y. But whoa, where's the X and Y? Well, you replace them with H and W, right? So, H, where would H go? H represents the height, right? Isn't that the height? Okay, yeah, I hope that makes sense, right? So, we're going to label that as H, right? And then W represents the distance. So, where would the distance be? X, right? I hope you know this. So we're going to label this W. I'm going to erase X and Y now. Ugh, that's not an eraser tool. Alright, so next thing. Let's write down the equation. H is equal to negative W squared over 9 plus 4W over 3. Right? So first of all, A. Write a quadratic equation that you can use to determine the width of the arch at the widest point. Right? So if it's an arch, I'm going to just draw it, alright? If it's an arch like this, then the widest point would be from here, or I'll change colors, would be from here to here, right? That'd be the widest point. Alright, I hope you have eyes because that was pretty obvious. Now, write a quadratic equation. Whoa, is this a quadratic equation? It doesn't seem like it. Remember, a quadratic equation is always y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, right? But wait a second, if you look at this thing closer, can't you rewrite it as instead of h, we use y because that's the y-axis, right? Y is equal to negative 1 over 9 w, or I'll use x squared, plus 4 over 3x plus 0? Wow! Yes, you can! This is the answer to A. Now, yeah. Okay. Now, how would we determine the width of the arch? Right? Wait, yeah. Okay, so this is basically the same concept as question 6, right? You find the x-intercepts, where the height is 0, so you're just finding, like, basically, you're just finding, from here to here, right? You're just finding these points, and then, like, above in question 6, we were like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Congratulations, the width is 6. It's literally the same thing. Alright, so it says use graphing technology, right? You don't have to use graphing technology. You can factor this. But personally, I don't want to. So let's go and use graphing technology. Let's go to Desmos real quick. Alright, so we have Desmos open, right? Negative 1 over 9 x squared plus 4 over 3 x plus c, but the c is 0, and we're fine with that. Alright? Okay, so what are the points? Let me label them. The first point, x-intercept point, is 0, 0, and the second one is 10, oh wait, crap, that's not 10, whoopsies, 12, 0. Right? Now, how long, or sorry, it says, let's go back to the question first. Close. Let's go back to the question. Photos. Alright, it says, what is the width of the arch, right? If we want to know the width of the arch, we find from here to here, right? We already know the point. 12 minus 0 equal to 12 meters. I believe. Yeah, that's how you do it.